Morning guys, we're going to Brookie Big House today. Nandito na kami at hindi ako nag-expect na ganito ka pala kataas yung linya. Ganito ka popular itong bake house dito sa Brisbane. Kasi sabi ng mga girls ko, trending daw to sa TikTok, everywhere, sa reels din sa social media. So yeah, nagpila kami dito. And then as you can see, yung mga anak ko mahihain sa camera. Ayaw nila akong i-video sila. So yeah, nandito na kami, malapit na kami sa loob. So yeah, I think we waited like 10 minutes. At saka yung linya, I think 20 people in the back. So yeah, nandito na kami sa loob. Yung mga macarons, cookies, cakes, and brownies. Too bad kasi yung gusto ko sanang kunin is not available, sold out na. So ganyan sila ka-popular. 10 o'clock lang kami doon and then yeah, sold out. So kinuha namin yung 6 cookies in one box worth ano siya, $40. Tinatry namin in the side of the opposite of the street kasi walang space doon kasi yung mga tao naglinya. And yeah, more people coming as you can see. So yeah, we just eat there. Try one cookie. Nag-share kami before we go to our next destination. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya. Bye.